Well, come and join us as we continue our Santa's Workshop North Pole Jingle Bell themed room. We're going to decorate the entire living room today, so we would love it if all you beautiful friends would come and join us today.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why do we always do?
Okay. And here we are putting tablecloths on my couch. I fold them in two, and I just like to even them up so they're perfectly straight. And I think it just adds a beautiful pop of plaid beauty.
Here we are hanging wreaths on the windows. Linette got the wreaths at Walmart, and she loves to hang wreaths with bows all over her home, and they just really add a lot.
Pillows! Bumble! Take two! Touchdown!
First try, baby!
And Rosie needs a cozy throw to cuddle up in front of the lights. It's the Santa Express. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Oh, oh, Merry Christmas.
Santa chairs, and are these covers?
Yes, covers are from Amazon.
They're so cute.
Boom. Another pillow, Nick.
Cute pillow.
Woo!
There we go.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everybody.
That is...
It's a little crooked, Steve.
Well, that gives it character.
Oh, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
Oh, or she's like, yes, it does.
No, it's fine.
There you go. That did it, I think, didn't it?
Okay.
That's it. Yeah?
All right.
Yeah.
Yay! Yeah!
All right.
Handyman Steve, how about a bow on that white pot?
That sounds like a great idea.
Ooh! She's botastic! She's super fastic! Oh, Handyman Steve!
Okay.
Okay.
Good?
Oh, you got your velvet.
I do.
I didn't know you wore those.
I had them on all day.
Oh.
She didn't know my pants were velvet.
What? We did another room, and Rosie got her little Christmas shirt on, and she's going to be mad at me for days. Got our little hot cocoa going, and we're going to have a really nice evening sitting here watching the lights. Got anything?
Blank.
We hope we helped you guys. Hopefully you're going to take some tips and be able to go to your room and go.
We hope we gave you some good tips today that you might be able to use in your own decorating as Christmas is coming around the corner. And
Jingle Bell, we've been dealing with her bells all day,
woo!
guys.
Time to take these bad boys off, or maybe not. Passion, Christmas, passion, Christmas, passion.
Find your Christmas passion today. Cheers.